Open the software. Perform the vertical alignment. Print a test pattern to check the printhead angle. Observe the test pattern to determine the direction of the printhead angle deviation. Loosen the printhead fixing screws. If the printhead is low on the left and high on the right, turn the left adjustment screw clockwise to raise the left side. And turn the right adjustment screw counterclockwise to lower the right side. If the printhead is high on the right and low on the left, turn the left adjustment screw counterclockwise to lower the left side. And turn the right adjustment screw clockwise to raise the right side. After adjusting the printhead so that it is generally parallel to the base frame, tighten the fixing screws. Repeat step 1 and take a photo of the newly printed test pattern. Send it to the technician to confirm that the adjustment is completed.